Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all fine. So may Allah bless you in this beautiful video. I hope you will like it. There's some beautiful and very pretty styling all ideas, and I hope you will enjoy. In this difference, I hope you will enjoy the very beautiful different collections. And I hope you will like it. These style ideas are very beautifully and different. And this difference winning all update, so you can watching it. Very pretty different designing and styling ideas, so you can carry for different collections. Pretty and very beautifully styling designing ideas. Very beautiful button crafts. And friends, so this beautiful all different collection updates. In this very beautiful different, so you will like it. Very beautiful and different styling ideas. So watch and different styles. Already pretty and different all updates. So friends, these styling ideas are very unique. So this very different all ideas. I hope you will like it. In this my unique all styling ideas. This buttons craft. Already different and stunning. In this way different all ideas. I hope you will like it. Very pretty or stunning collections. These styling ideas all very beautifully and different collections. I hope you will enjoy. I hope you will like in different ideas. In this way different all ideas. And very pretty beautiful collections. So friends, these styling ideas are very pretty. You can watching it. In this way different collections, all new styling. As I hope you will like it. And this very pretty or very pretty all different ideas. And different, I hope you will like it in this more unique or very different. In this way, hope you will like it.
ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
And this way, hope you will like it. As I hope you will like it. In this very beautiful and different collection or very pretty style. So this very different. I hope you will like it. As usual, we enjoy this casually styling. I hope you will enjoy this very different collections ideas. And friends, I hope you will enjoy this very beautifully. And I hope you will enjoy this beautiful